strong. Come on, give me more. I need more.
We've developed a groundbreaking new training system, appliance-based fitness. You see, Midea enhances Erling's strength, stamina, and precision. This is the future of athletic performance. 213 squats, 214 with a fridge. Simple, but effective.
Easy.
He's got some big games coming up, so it's important he's prepared for every scenario. Dumbbells, outdated. Sit-ups, boring. This is the future of training.
Hi.
Hey.
216.
Could I just get my sandwich?
1 second. He's in the zone. 217.